Hey everybody, thank you for stopping by the CAD Reactor page. I just want to let you know what this is about. And first of all, my name's Thomas, or if I'm working on engineering, CAD stuff, or riding a bike, I'm Atomicus Prime. This is the CAD Reactor. You're either looking at the YouTube page or the Facebook group. And this is where anyone from GMU, most likely, or whatever school or no school at all, can come help GMU students work on their projects. Right now we have three main ones: HPVC, that's a human-powered vehicle competition; the SAE Baja, that's a motorized vehicle competition; and the robotics competition. And whatever it is, a lot of times we'll need to draw stuff up in CAD, but a lot of us don't have too much CAD experience. Maybe some people took it in high school, some people taught themselves. There's obviously lynda.com. But this is where whatever we're working on, your fellow classmates can share how they overcome certain obstacles. They can say, I don't know how to get the degrees of freedom I want on this arm. I don't know how to make the simplest thing. And so this is where we can help each other either express our difficulties, or when we do make a product, I'm hoping somebody will come and post what they did, how they overcame their problem. Earlier today I was talking to Tristan, Hernan, and Eric, who are working on the robotics competition, and I wanted to help out. They were running into a little speed bump, and by the time I got the parts file, they had already figured out what the problem was. They needed to ground the base of the vehicle or something like that. I was like, okay, cool. I hadn't heard of that, or maybe I had, but it's in different terms. There's always slight nuances to what you can do. There's different ways to do the same thing, just like when we're solving math problems or any engineering problem. It doesn't have to be one stock way of doing it. AutoCAD, Inventor, Rhino, all these things have different pathways that they can use. Anyways, if you can post a cool video, awesome. Tristan Schuler, he released an album recently, and making it interesting would always be good. I have no background right now, but you can imagine if I had started this video and I used Tristan's swipe and I had that playing in the background, just a little bit of editing and post-production. When people come to your page, they're going to say, this is a video I want to see. Just get them engaged right off the bat, which obviously I didn't do unless I go and edit this. Anyways, I don't think I will. This is just a general hello video. I wanted to show you a couple things. This is my 3D Space Mouse, just a fun gadget, but when you use this, you can easily move around. This is the robotics piece that the guys are working on, and you can easily move your body around without having to do the strange stuff that you often find yourself doing with a mouse when you are using a lot of CAD software. So wherever it is, just pull it. Really fast response. If I want to go to the other side of this, it's just really easy. Zoom in wherever you are. Now, thank you, Tristan. Hopefully that won't get me copyright killed. Hopefully there could be some leniency on that. And so as you can see, this is one of the CAD files. The first tip, just based on this, if you make a CAD file and you want to share it with somebody, it's important that you don't just send the assembly file. They'll also need the parts. One of the things I posted on the page was that I needed the parts, because the assembly file is like the instruction manual or the directions on how to bake a cake. It tells you where to put stuff and what limitations are on it. But the actual ingredients are those parts that you go through and make, and then you constrain and put into an assembly. Well, you need to send those too. If you want me to bake you a cake, you're going to have to send me the ingredients and then how to put it together. So thank you again for stopping by. I hope this was helpful. I hope you feel motivated to just take a video with your phone. If you have an iPhone, or I don't know what video editing software is available on the Samsung or Android devices, but just throw on a music intro and have fun with it. Like, just be a little bit vulnerable, even if you think it's a simple problem. All the problems we have are simple until we know how to deal with them. So please feel free to tell your friends about this page, get everybody to join up so that we can have more people attacking the same problems. If you have any questions, just send me a message and I'll be happy to try to answer them. And if I can't answer them, we've got more and more people joining this who probably can. All right, thank you. Let's see. This is the crazy way of signing out. So we'll do this. This is called analog video editing.